So we got us a little clear here. And what we did was mix a little bit of clear in with the, well, a little dye in with the clear. Real thin, you can see it on the side of the bucket. And we're gonna actually tone with that, with the big gun, because it's fast. So.
With a big tip.
Yes.
What size tip is that?
I don't know. It's like European.
Okay.
So let's shoot this in. Spray this. You don't want to come up like this.
Okay.
Because you'll have a line here.
Correct.
So you want to do like a pendulum. See how that goes?
Got it.
And the same up here. You don't want to like come like
right
up here.
You really want
Just keep
to
it in the middle. You want it to hit right
the
there
profile.
and right there.
Correct.
So watch. Easy. And nice and uniform because this has got color.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah,
So you don't want to do this either.
Correct.
You want to do this. Yeah, and you don't want to bring the gun close. A habit of some people would be to go like this.
Right.
And you got color in there, so you'll actually paint a line. So I'm keeping it back, like here. See how it's a bit far back?
Yeah, about 12 inches.
Yeah.
About 10 to 12 inches.
What I didn't go through. I'm not putting any color. And don't let that pump too wild like that.
Sounds funky.
No, that's because it's getting air. Because I change this over.
Right.
So I'm just saying, don't let it go wild. You see the color coming in. See? Just keep it like a low pump.
So just explain what happened. You had clear still in the guns.
Yeah, I'm changing over from here to there. So you want it. You don't want this pump going crazy and.
But you're trying to get the clear out of the guns so
Yeah.
that you have color.
Yes.
So you just
Clean up the line.
Clean out the line.
Okay.
So now you can turn it on. Now it's got color. Now, this here, this is one bad thing. This would be nice if it was up and down, but it's crossways.
Correct.
So you just gotta go up and down. Okay, like so. And see, nice white coat. See how perfect
Yes.
this is here?
Yeah, because you control the pressure.
Yeah. See how nice and out of the base it is? Now we're toning the inside of the cabinets.
Talk about how you taped it up the top
Yeah,
and
we
bottom.
tape the top up here and the bottom so we don't get a big black line around here. It's nice and clean when we pull this tape. And then we spray like this, real nice coat. See how nice and clean it's all the way in the bottom? So this spraying this time makes it nice and uniform, as opposed to the cup gun. So watch, nice and straight. See that? Nice and straight. Wasn't that pretty?
Yep.
See the difference between the two?
All right, yep.
We'll give it a second coat. You want to get in a position where you can move, where you're not putting your butt like against this. So, didn't that end panel look nice now? We took some pigment and took all the burn throughs out.
Right. That was the hardest one actually.
Yeah. So, same over here. I like to get down on my knees, down like this, and keep it where it's nice and straight. much. The inside you don't have to go as dark. Because it's in that shell. It's going to be darker. Now I will give one more coat with my big gun on the inside and it's done.